The 22 and the 23 is some kind of tragedy because we prepare a lot of material and goods. But after the COVID, because the demand suddenly disappeared, so we spent some more time to clean out our stock.
Too much inventory.
Yes, yes. So the first half of the 23 is not good for us. But after we clean out all the stock and the market back to normal, so actually in the second half of the 23, we are getting back to normal. And actually in this year, Q3, we deliver a relatively very good performance.
What's going to be the drivers for that rebound that you talked about?
Actually, I think, of course, in the 24, the AI PC will become a very hot topic because after the OpenAI, they released the ChatGPT. I think everyone wants the AI capability.
Is the AI PCs, are they going to be a big driver for the industry going forward? I think I've seen some of the quotes coming from your company saying it's still going to be, at least in the next couple of years, a very small part of shipments, maybe about 3%. Do you have a kind of a projection of the number of units that will be shipped with AI capabilities?
If you are talking about this year, of course, because just as I mentioned, the AI PC includes several different factors, the hardware, software, and the OS, because the Microsoft, they released the OS in the second half. So I think in this year, the AI PC will ship to the market will be in the Q4. So the total number will be limited. And so I think in this year, the AI PC share may be around low single digit. And maybe in the next year, the share for the AI PC will around maybe high single digit. And they will need maybe 2 or 3 years to become more mature and more popular.
Obviously, the supply chain has been a big issue over the last couple of years that is absolutely exacerbated by the US-China difficulties geopolitically. Are you moving production to Indian suppliers from China, or is it simply adding in India in addition to what you already have in China?
Actually, because ASUS is the brand, so most production line, we are co-work with our EMS partner. So actually a lot of EMS, because the geopolitical issue, some customer, they already ask them to have the different production site. So we will depend on the customer's requirement. For example, some US customer, they are request the manufacturer line have the limitation. We cannot use the factory in China. So we will ask our EMS to support that kind of deal in different factory.
I know we're not going to talk about who you want in the election to win. We're not here to talk about the politics, obviously.
Yes, yes.
But what would you like to see, regardless of the outcome or regardless of which party wins?
Yes.
What would be the business-friendly outcome that you would most likely want to see going forward?
Actually, I think either DPP or KMT win the election. I think the one who win and when they take the new position, they always want to have the very good economic and business development in Taiwan. So I think everyone, when they take that position, they will try to provide a very stable and healthy environment to help the enterprise to develop and have the good business and economic status in Taiwan.